Getting slammed by the Dgxi_error_device_hung crash right after updating Wuthering Waves? You're not alone. This fatal error has been frustrating players across the board. Stick around as we break down what's causing it and walk you through the exact steps to fix it. Hey everyone, welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Dgxi_error_device_hung crash in Wuthering Waves. Let's jump in. Method 1. Switch to DirectX 11 mode. Right-click the game in your launcher, select Properties and add the following launch option. -DX11. Launch the game and check for stability. Method 2. Launch the game via Game Installation folder. Open Steam and then head to Library. Right-click on the game. Here we are showing the steps with this game. The process is same for Wuthering Waves. Now go to Properties. Select Install Files and click on Browse. This should take you to the Game Installation folder. Try launching the game from here. Method 3. Verify the game files. Here is how you can verify the integrity of the game files from Steam platform. Head to the Steam library, right-click on the game and open its properties. Go to the Install Files tab and click on the Verify Integrity of the Game Files option. Wait till Steam verifies the game files and downloads the missing file or fix the corrupted game files. Once done, launch the game and check. You can also repair or re-verify the game files from Epic Game Launcher or other launchers. Method 4. Disable full screen optimization. Double-click on this PC and navigate to the Game Installation folder. Open the game folder, right-click on the Game.exe and open its properties. Go to the Compatibility tab and disable full screen optimization. Click on Apply and then on OK to save the changes. Method 5. Troubleshoot your graphics drivers. Open Device Manager using Windows Search. Go to the Display Adapter section and expand it. Right-click on your graphics driver and choose Update Driver option. From the next window, select the Search Automatically for Drivers option. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the latest driver. You can also visit the official websites of your graphics card manufacturer to update your graphics drivers. These websites are linked in the description below. Now download the latest drivers for the graphics card installed on your computer from these websites. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the driver installation process. Once done, restart your PC. When the device restarts, open the app again to check for updates. Download and install the available updates. If you have multiple GPUs for your computer, then make sure you use the one exclusively for gaming. This ensures a better gaming experience. Here is how you can check if you are running the dedicated graphics card. However, this depends upon your operating system and the graphics card you are using. Press the Windows key +R to launch the Run utility. Type div mgmt.msc in the Run command box and hit Enter or click on OK. Expand the Display Adapter section. Here you will find the two adapters, one for your dedicated graphics card and the integrated graphics card. The dedicated graphics card should have a longer and more specific name than the integrated one. The dedicated graphics card may also have a higher memory size listed, so run the game with the dedicated graphics card. Method 6. Reinstall the game. If none of the methods shown could fix the issue, there might be some corrupt installation files causing this issue. Uninstall the game, then download and reinstall it. This can often resolve persistent loading problems caused by corrupted files. And that's it. Your game should be running smoothly again. No more fatal crashes interrupting your flow. If this fix worked for you, give the video a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more quick, reliable tech solutions. Still facing issue or found a different fix that worked? Drop it in the comments. Let's help each other out and keep the Wuthering Waves community strong.